three when I count three. Every word I say, every word I say, just continues to make you happier and happier. That's right. Every word I say is just going to continue to make you happier and happier. Not you understand, if you understand. Good. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness, how you doing over here?
Good.
Yeah. What's your name?
Nate.
It's wonderful that you came up here. And you know the cool part is the laugh that Nate has over here. The laugh that Nate has is contagious. That's right, it's contagious. It passes to this person and this person, and that laughter just continues dropping down. They just keep getting happier and happier. That's right. Every word I say just continues making each person happier and happier. It just keeps working its way down the throat, and they just keep getting happier and happier. Every word I say just continues making them happier and happier. Nate's over here, he's rolling in the aisle, and it's just contagious. It just continues to mount down, and everybody's just getting happier and happier. Every word I say, they just get happier and happier. Oh, it feels good to be up here. Oh, yeah. Nate's doing great down here, isn't he? Yeah, he's glad I started at this end. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Everybody looking right up here. His knee down here. Every breath. Just takes you just even deeper. Oh, my goodness. Feeling so good. Feeling so good. Oh, and Nate's over here. He's still having a good time. Yeah, he's dropping down deeper and deeper, but he's still just deeper. And Nate's just dropping down sleep now, dropping down even deeper. Feeling so good now. Every breath takes you deeper. Every sound takes you deeper. Oh, my goodness. That's right. Just continue dropping down even deeper. Oh. You know, for some reason, this audience really wants me to pick on Nate first. What are we doing? That's it. That seems kind of mean. You know, I don't normally do something like this, but, you know, that might actually work. Guy in blue, his name is what? Matt, that's right, thank you. Nate. Nate, on the count of three, Nate, on the count of three, you're going to realize that Matt stole your tattoo. On the count of three, you're going to realize that Matt stole your tattoo. You cannot use force. You cannot use any force, but you're going to go down and ask Matt to give you your tattoo back. Nod your head if you understand. Nod your head if you understand.
Oh, God.
Matt, on the count of three, when Nate asks for his tattoo back, you are going to insist that Billy the Bird ate it. Ate his tattoo. Nod your head if you understand. Nod your head if you understand. Good. And you also cannot use any force. 1, 2, 3. Hey, Nate, come on, do me a favor. Get off. Come in here. How you doing, Nate? Good. Yeah. You missing anything? What's wrong?
My tattoo is missing.
Where'd it go?
I don't know.
Did somebody take it?
He did.
Who did?
Guy has a blue shirt on. Yeah. Why do you have my tattoo? I can clearly see it on you.
Ate it, dude.
It's right here.
Dude, the bird ate it.
It's right on your arm.
Dude, you're blind, man. The bird ate it.
I can see it on your arm.
You know what? Why don't you sit down, just face forward here for me just for a second? That's right, just face forward there. That's right, yeah. Don't stand too close. Yeah. Both feet, glue to the floor. Both feet, glue to the floor. That's right, both feet, glue to the floor. You know, as I continue to talk now, their tongues are just going to start drying up in their mouths. Their tongues are drying up in their mouths. Their tongues are getting drier and drier, starting to swell up right in their mouths. That's right. Their tongues are actually starting to swell up. They're starting to stick out. That's right. They're starting to get so dry and swollen up. They're sticking out. That's right. They can't even hold it in their mouths. My goodness. How do they try it? It's like that tongue is just sticking out. That's right. It's kind of dancing around. My goodness. That's just not right. You know what? We're going to put this tongue normal, just like that, normal, just like that. Both feet tongue glued, just like that. Oh my goodness, you guys are doing a wonderful job. You know, maintain perfect balance just where you are. Maintain perfect balance. You're not going to fall over and sleep now, dropping down even.